Why would a contractor need glow-in-the-dark paint? I wonder if this has to do with the glowing ghost. I put my parents $100,000 in debt for that criminal science degree. I need to rethink my life.
We're going undercover.
Even deeper.
We're going undercover.
Deeper than that.
We're going undercover.
That's right. Deep cover.
Oh my God, you're flirting over a dead body. When else am I going to do it?
What the f***? This is not my house. I'm horny. You 18?
No, sir.
Damn it! You just called me gay?
No, I didn't say anything.
My parents' divorce messed me up, man! It messed my head up bad! I want Chipotle!
Want some cheese? No. Ew, no, not out of the dead fridge, no.
Dipper, I told you to get some sleep last night. Here, wake up with some maple juice. It has plastic dinosaurs in it.
It's like if Coffee and Nightmares had a baby.
This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. She's walking on fire.
I do not say blah, blah, blah.
So that's your field report.
Yep.
So you broke into the house.
Yep.
And you shot him 36 times.
37.
You need to stop going on walks.